Welcome to Metro Realty's age-restricted apartment communities, Central Connecticut's premier choice in apartment living and rental alternative for active adults. Metro Realty is a Farmington-based development firm that has been providing Central Connecticut's active adult community with housing for over 15 years. With communities all centrally located in Avon, Berlin, Canton, Farmington, and South Windsor, we take great pride in our communities, and the happiness of our residents is paramount. All of our communities feature beautiful New England architecture as well as breathtaking landscaping. No detail is overlooked as far as landscaping is concerned. All of our properties feature grand entranceways, and our site layouts and landscape architecture define our communities. As you walk or drive through any of Metro's adult communities, especially on a nice spring or summer day, you will be struck by the natural beauty of our well-manicured ornamental trees, the vast array of perennial flowers and seasonal grasses, as well as lush, well-kept lawns throughout the community. And best of all, we have a professional landscaping staff dedicated to keeping our properties looking great all year, which means you don't have to worry about mowing lawns or maintaining a garden, or even shoveling snow in the winter. We do all the work so you can sit back, relax, and enjoy your beautiful home. It is important to remember that when living in a Metro age-restricted community, not only will you not pay any standard maintenance fees that you would incur in a private home, you also do not need to worry about real estate taxes or property insurance. Not only are our apartment homes nice to look at, they are also functional. Every aspect of our apartment home has been designed with great care to ensure you the most enjoyable living experience possible. Our apartment homes feature a multitude of amenities specifically designed to make independent living easy for active adults. For example, every apartment home has its own energy-efficient GE washer and dryer. No more carrying laundry to a laundry room and paying extra to use the machines. Every home features numerous other amenities, such as a dishwasher, a garbage disposal, and a microwave, all to make working around the kitchen a little bit easier. Every home is equipped with smoke detectors as well as an advanced sprinkler system to make sure you and your family are safe at all times. Most apartments have oversized 5-foot wide showers that feature a no-skid surface, built-in seats, safety grab bars, and low thresholds for ease and convenience. Every one of our communities has a standalone community center. These community centers offer our residents a place to relax and enjoy time with friends and family. The building's architecture features white pillars and professional interior decoration to welcome you to the centerpieces of our community. Every aspect of our communities was engineered with the environment in mind, which means minimal negative environmental impact as well as lower energy bills for our residents. All of our apartments feature cost-effective natural gas heating. In addition, our apartments are extremely energy efficient and maintain their temperature well in both the hot summer and cold winter months. Thank you so much for your interest in Metro's active adult communities. Hopefully you found something that caught your eye and makes sense for you and your family. We look forward to hearing from you soon, and hopefully you becoming a member of one of our active adult communities. From all of us at Metro Realty, thanks again and have a great day.